Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make California rolls. California rolls are not exactly Japanese food, but one of my subscribers requested for the video, so here I am. I'm using cucumber, cream cheese and crabstick for the filling today, but filling can be anything. Avocado, tuna, salmon, whatever you like. So just be experimental and find your favorite filling. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this California roll, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons vinegar. This is wheat vinegar I'm using today, but you can use rice vinegar instead. 1 teaspoon salt, cucumber, crab sticks, cream cheese, nori seaweed, and this orange fish roll. This is called tobikko in Japan, but I heard it's called masago in some countries. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put it in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. 1 and 2. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. So the rice can soak up all the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Now it's boiling, so turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. It's cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on and steam at least for 10 minutes. The rice is ready, so I'm making sushi vinegar. Japanese rice is sometimes sold as sushi rice, but it's just a plain rice. To make it real sushi rice, you need to mix it with sushi vinegar. So 1 tablespoon of sugar into 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt. And to dissolve sugar and salt, let's microwave this. Give it a mix, and sushi vinegar is ready. Prepare a spatula and fan. Fluff the rice. Put the sushi vinegar all over the rice. Mix it as you fan. And when you mix it, if you do it like this, you will have sushi rice paste. So make sure to slice the rice. I sliced and fanned for about 5 minutes. And I don't see any vinegar at the bottom of the pot. Rice is slightly shiny from the sugar I put, and I still see each grain of rice. I didn't make sushi rice paste, so I think I did good. Let's cool it down to room temperature. Sushi rice is ready, so let's prepare the filling. Cucumber. Cut both ends off. And let's cut it into 4 long ways. Cream cheese. Let's cut it into 3. Prepare a sushi mat lined with plastic film and bowl of water to keep your hands wet all the time. Sushi rice is very sticky, so you need to keep your hands wet all the time. Nori seaweed with this rough side facing up. This is a shiny side and this is a rough side. Rough side facing up. Drain your hands completely and put about tennis ball size rice on the nori seaweed. And you're going to spread this all over, other than the pinky size gap here and here. It's very easy to add rice, but it's very difficult to remove. So always start with a little amount, tennis ball size in this case. And if it's not enough to cover other than the pinky size gap, you can add more little by little. So let's spread this all over. I need more rice here and here, so let's add some rice. Now seaweed is covered with the rice other than the pinky size gap here and here. Now I'm spreading this tobiko or masago all over the rice. Then you flip it over, and this is why you need the plastic film. Cucumber in the middle, some cream cheese, crab sticks, sushi mat, plastic film, nori and rice all together. You bring the bottom line here to right above the filling. Like this, and push in or push back to lock the ingredients. Lift up the sushi mat and plastic film, and you pull them away from you. Then wrap it with the plastic film and give it a few minutes to settle. Now it's time to slice them. So prepare a knife and soaking wet cloth or paper towel. And this paper towel is to clean the knife, so your knife is always clean and slightly wet. Just like your hands, the knife should be wet all the time. You can remove the plastic film before you slice, but for me it's easier to slice it with the film on. Let's cut both ends off because cucumber is sticking out. I'm making 8 slices, so let's cut it into half. Into half. And into half. Let's remove the film and serve on the plate. And California rolls are ready to go. Time for the tasting. Little bit of soy sauce. And いただきます。Many different flavors, many different textures, and it's so fun and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. The sushi roll is rice, so let's put it here, and vegetable miso soup here. The sushi rolls have a little bit of protein, but I need more, so let's have tamagoyaki, Japanese omelette for the main dish. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, how about broccoli gomae? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!